Welcome back to the Heap Art Origami Show. Today we're going to fold the Space Shuttle designed by Gery Hsu. This paper airplane surprised me when I first flew it because I was not expecting it to be able to fly, but it does, and the landing is really satisfying to watch. It lands upright just like this, similar to the actual Space Shuttle. To begin, start with the color you want your paper airplane to be facing down. I want mine to be green this time, and we're going to fold the two main diagonals. With the two main diagonals, we're going to fold the kite base. So these two edges to the center of that diagonal. Make sure that it's even on both sides. Same thing on the other side. With the kite base, open it up. Fold this corner to this mark here, and same thing with this one to this mark here. Close it up. Fold this corner to this corner here. Make sure that the fold is aligned to the center. We need this in order for it to be properly balanced. From this base here, fold the corner down again, this time from this corner to this corner here. Make sure that it's perfectly aligned to the center. You can use the center crease as a guide. It needs to be one on top of the other when looking from the back. We're going to fold from here to here, somewhere here, using this point as a pivot, and this edge needs to touch this corner here. Don't pass it. Make sure it's flat. Same thing on the other side. With that, we're going to open this nose up so we could tuck these two flap inwards. Close it back down. Then turn the paper airplane upside down. Or, well, not upside down. Turn it over. This corner, fold it until it touches this center here. Next, fold this edge to this new crease here, and same thing for this edge. Fold and unfold. Now the hard part. When you close it up, fold it in half. Make sure that you let the vertical fin do whatever it needs to stay upwards. Once you close it in half, it should look like this. At this point, fix the nose of it so that fix this crease so that when you close it up, the nose is pointing straight. If it's curling to a side, that means that your crease here is not perfectly horizontal, or this center crease is not completely in the middle. Fix it a bit. Once fixed, this should be straight like this, with a small profile. We're going to fold this corner, to where the tip of the vertical fin is. These are going to be our wings. Same thing on the other side. Make sure that this part is matching. Next, fold this tip for the nose to this point here. We're going to reverse fold it and tuck it in. Try to make sure that this fold here is as even as possible on both sides, because this will affect how the paper airplane flies. Once you have that, open up the wings so that it forms an upside down T. When you fly it, it's going to open up a bit and form sort of like a W like this. Now to fly it, just take your index and your middle finger, hold it like this, hold it up high and push it forward, like that. You should see it land gently and balance going down slowly like this. This is the Space Shuttle designed by Gery Hsu. If you enjoyed my video, please help me share it with the world by smashing that like button. Thank you very much, and see you next time.